Want to create visuals inspired by Pantone's Color of the Year Mocha Mousse? Here's how you can bring those rich mocha tones to life with Pixlr AI Image Generator. Start by typing a description of the image you'd like to generate. Add in pastel brown color filter and hue to guide the AI to match the mocha tone. Let's try a different subject. Want a cleaner and more streamlined design? Add minimalistic to your prompt for a sleek and uncluttered look. Be sure to keep the color prompt for consistent mocha vibes. Take your visuals to the next level by changing the aspect ratio to tall for a vertical design, and experiment with lighting settings to create a unique mood and feel. Mix and match subjects, keywords, and settings to discover endless possibilities. You'll be amazed at how different combinations can transform your visuals, all while staying true to the warm tones of Mocha Mousse. Once you've found your favorite mocha-toned image, take it into Pixlr Editor or Pixlr Express for final touches. AI expand it, add your flair, and share your creation with the world. Generate your mocha-toned image now.